going to transfer you into our office supervisor. Just a moment, please.
Yes, Damien.
This is Amanda.
Wow. Amanda.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you doing?
I'm not doing well, Amanda.
Okay.
I'm really frustrated. All I'm asking for is for the court to have someone escort me to the office, to the court, clerk's office.
Okay. So you want to file something?
Yes, I would like to file some documents. I need the court stamp, and signature on some documents. I need to, look through the court records.
Okay. Have you attempted to come in the building recently?
No, I will not do that under the, threat of possible arrest, because no one has clarified to me whether or not the trespass has been lifted or whatever. So I will not, jeopardize my safety.
Yeah. I don't have any control over security for the building.
No, it's not the building that I'm asking. It's the separate entity, which is the office of the clerk, which, has its own authority, and someone in that building can escort me to that office.
Yeah, usually if there is something like that in place, then it's a court security officer that would escort, the individual to our office.
Right. That should be open to everyone. I should be not, discriminated against for any reason.
Yeah. Let me just...
I'm not a security risk or anything of that nature. All of this is really just like crazy. It really is. It's stemmed from me just visiting the building, not creating, any problems or violation of the law or anything. Just for me being there, all of this.
Right. No, I understand that. I know that in the past I have asked for clarification, and I haven't received any.
I appreciate that too, Amanda. Because I've tried as well. That's all I wanted was some clarification. Someone, they gave me a verbal trespass without it being a record made of it, which is part of the problem. And so that's all that I can go on right now. And I've asked for clarification or someone to give me something in writing that, there is no trespass and, I wouldn't be in violation. Just something. And that's it. And this would clear up everything pretty much. I could drop the case and move forward. But the reason I had to, bring the case is because no one would communicate with me properly. I just know my rights and I know the law and I know you guys' policies and, everyone has pretty much violated it as far as, the ethics and code of conduct and, I've been hung up on, I've been mistreated, talked to rudely, so many unprofessional, behavior. So, it is what it is. All I'm trying to do is to get remedy.
Okay. Hold on real quick here.
I mean, I spoke with Scott, I don't know his position. I think he's a special agent or commander or something for the U.S. Marshal.
Right.
And
I'm not going to be able to get the information probably for you today because of this being the day before the holiday.
right.
But, okay. Okay. And it's Damian Lamar, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is a good number to reach you at?
414-501-0050.
Okay. Okay. I will reach out to just see, and if, I can't guarantee what the answer or response will be, but I can reach out and see
So,
if they will, yeah.
what specifically are you asking them for? Because I was asking you as the court, as a separate entity.
Yeah.
Because
And
they don't have authority over the court, Amanda.
that they have authority over the building, the security of the building.
Right.
So,
Right. But I'm not a security risk to the court or the building.
I don't know what process they've gone through on that. If you were trespassed, they do have procedures in place.
Right. And they're violating them, though. And you know that.
Again, we can't bypass something that they have put in place.
But y'all can bypass my rights? Is
Well,
that
there's
what
other
you're
ways you
saying?
can file. I mean, you can mail them, and you can use the drop box that's on Jackson. So, I mean, we're not...
No. I need to have access just like every other citizen.
Right. No, I
can't be
understand what
discriminated
you're asking.
against.
Right. I understand that.
That's the whole thing. That's the law in the Constitution. Now, if you guys want to war against the Constitution, because that's what's happening right now. I know you're operating in your administrative capacity, but you also have a duty, and you're sworn up to the Constitution to protect my rights.
Right.
And you're not doing that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's where you and I can differ, our opinion.
Okay. So you're protecting my right to have access to the building.
You have access to filing?
No, to the building, to the actual building. To come into the office, to use the computer, to look up records, to make FOIA requests, to inspect documents, and all of that is my right. That's being violated from the day that this occurred. So every day is a separate violation according to the law.
I don't think the Constitution grants you physical access to buildings.
Yes, it does.
But I understand.
Yes, it
I
does.
understand.
Those are federally funded places, ma'am.
No, they are.
So what do you mean? That means I own it.
Well, I do too.
Well, yeah, and when you're outside of your public capacity, right now you're getting paid by me.
Yes. I know that. I'm aware of it.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. I'm very aware of my rights and everything that goes along with the Constitution, your administrative duties as an employee, all of that.
So we cannot override if there are security measures in place.
Where are they? I don't have those. There has to be a notice, ma'am, and a written
I
record.
don't have that information.
That's the problem, Amanda, and you as the court administrator should be doing something about this.
And that's why I took your phone number to call you back next week.
But I've been talking to you for the past 3-4 months about this, Amanda. You've done nothing.
I have done all that I can. I have passed along your previous message.
You have the authority to make the decision that
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I do not. No, I don't.
You as along with the judge.
No, I don't. We don't. But, I mean, I understand your frustration.
All right.
So I'm not going to, yeah.
Oh, my God. Amanda, I wish you the best. I wish you the best. Enjoy your holidays. You know.
I will, yeah. Okay.
That's it? That's all you got?
If you have any other questions, you can call back and ask for me. I will look into this. Like I said, I won't most likely get a response today, but, you know, I will get something for you, and,
All right. So another day is going by where I don't have access to public, you know, facilities.
well, right, not everybody is here today, so.
All right. Well, thank you so much again for
Okay.
your service.
Okay. You're welcome.
Take care.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
They are so funny. These people are hilarious.